Hey guys, Jay here from Wood Pigeon Outdoors. We at the Fern Forest Nature Center here in Florida.
Yeah.
And whereabouts in Florida?
North of Miami. And it's in the big agglomeration of Miami, Pompano, Fort Lauderdale, like all that area. Like I think it's a little bit south of Margate.
A little bit south of Margate,
But
yeah.
it's in the middle of town.
So, and it is a conservation area.
Yeah.
So not allowed picking anything, not allowed taking anything. We'll show the sign right here. Yeah, let's show you around. So Jill brought up a great point. Our buddy right here, Jungle Jay, that's right, has recommended this area. He is a Florida native, and if you don't know his channel, we'll put the links down in the pants, down below. That's right. That there is bobcat poop, and it's very fresh. So we're gonna have to keep our eye out, make sure.
Interesting.
Ibu? Did you hear the Ibu?
Yeah. That was it, huh?
So again, those of you that watch my channel know that I like the wild edibles and stuff. Now, there's these really bright purple berries. I don't know if it's picking up with the camera on how actual purple these are. They almost look like mini grapes. I don't know what these are, and you know my theory, if you don't know what it is, you don't eat it, right? So, or unless you're 100% sure. If you know what they are, leave a comment below. Alright guys, so don't know how much footage that was, but had to put the camera down for a bit because the area we were walking, we had to keep an eye out for little critters and whatever that could eat us. It's sort of like going to your in-laws.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Yeah. Gotta watch out, the in-laws might eat us. Or me. So. Anyways, with that said, I got another patch. Add that to the collection on the bag, which I really got to start actually putting them on the bag. But anyways, great place to come. It is free, and we found out that it is locally bought and funded by the locals, right?
Yeah, it's owned by the county from what the, I guess, ranger told us.
The ranger, yeah.
And what they did is that it was by a big developer that developed all the area around it, and locals went together to stop the development here. So they stay like a natural preserve.
There you go. So they did that, and didn't see too many animals, but we did see a few little cute turtles, couple lizards, a lot of poop.
Yeah.
Other than that, pretty good place. It is free, so if you want to come and visit, I do believe they do accept donations, and also the gift shop. The gift shop also helps funds the proceeds afterwards goes towards helping preserve the park. All right. Until next time, guys. Stay safe out there. Cheers.